Hi everyone, my name is Baby Martin and I'm the founder of BMIM and BMIM Cash Flow, as well as an author of How to Double Your Cash Flow ebook. Our clients over the years, they've been asking the same questions over and over again, and we discovered that there were those questions revolved around cash flow. We encourage them throughout the years to actually focus inward in their desire to fix that issue. However, their natural focus was outward. They were looking for outside help. As far as one-on-one is concerned, we offer a number of consultancy packages, and they range from initial consultation, and that's normally the customer route typical customer would take. At the initial consultation, we sit down. It's a 1 power hour we spend with clients, where we see the situation they are in, and we assess the fastest route for them to take in order to get the financial to achieve the financial goals they're desiring. If someone is up to speed with things, then we recommend taking two routes. One of them is for them to do things in-house, and we provide the training around it, and we give them a tool. For those who are not interested in doing the work themselves, then we do these we have this cash flow and business value boost program, where we do the analysis ourselves, and then our meeting with a client is focused on improvement initiatives. Some clients find use of that more, and they can structure it in a way that's just for the team. It can be one-on-one. There are a lot of options available around that. So if you are a business owner and a senior decision maker, or any senior executive, and you believe you have cash flow issues that you'd like to address internally, then this is the right place to be. We're the only company that deals with cash flow improvement, and we use analytics in order A, to uncover where the gaps are, and B, to help businesses cover those gaps or close those gaps. Well, I hope to see you soon. Thank you for listening.